we get to Neverland.
So today we are going on it's an explorative information gathering session. So this is gonna be an interesting vlog because I ran into this dude and he's got these kayaks and they're just trying to get rid of them because they never use them. They're inflatable kayaks and I don't know anything about inflatable kayaks. Do you know anything about inflatable kayaks?
No clue.
We are gonna go see how these things work.
I think I have a booger in my nose. I don't know for sure. Does anyone have boogies in their nose randomly? Because I have them all the time.
Savage has never been on a boat of any kind, so this is an experiment. So there's a few things we want to determine here. One, do the kayaks float? Two, do the kayaks float? And then number three, how are the dogs going to react to being on the water?
We're trying to blow up these thingamabobbies. Not even sure if they're going to float. I'm going to put this crazy butt on one.
There's so many things that can go wrong. I was like, this is a vlog. This is a vlog waiting to happen. I mean, anything from dogs jumping out of the kayak, us flipping, us sinking. So many wonderful things can happen. That'll be hilarious. So stay tuned, follow along. Does this day end with a smile and oh my gosh, this was the best find ever? Or is it gonna end with worst day ever? Who wants some free kayaks?
Fun or flop?
Savage, fun or flop? Savage thinks every day is a fun day when we leave the house. All right, so step one, go to Walmart, pick up a life jacket. Actually, step one, get coffee. Step two, get life jackets.
I was just gonna say coffee first, please. Pow!
Kind of pow the whole lens.
I have a little bitty hands. Look, pow.
Pow, use.
Pow.
Get it, pop, gotta pop it. The whole lens, pop it.
Ow.
Step one, complete. Coffee. Phase two, life jackets and a whistle.
Like beacon.
Where can we go for a life jacket and a whistle? Walmart! How long do you think it's gonna take me to pump this thing up?
A long time.
Give me minutes.
20.
20 minutes. All right, let's go. Trying to figure out how the seat works. All right, here we go. Yeah, you gotta have your oar.
Oh lordy, this dude. Daddy! Ah! Okay, this dude. Yes.
Zach, come here, bud.
He's looking like what? Yep. So Sean, how's it going?
So far, he's being way better than I thought he would be. First time on the water. Look at this guy. I knew Charlie would be good. Charlie's like, let's go, man. Don't do it. It's just a matter of time before he does it.
Savvy!
Don't do it! Stupid dog. Did you learn something? Oh. Come on, get back in the boat. Got it! We're okay! He's freaking out. So Savage decided he was going to try to swim to you, but Savage has never swam before, so as soon as he jumped in the water, he immediately panicked, and then he started swimming in circles, and he eventually found the shore.
Well, that's how you learn, I suppose.
Yeah, so we'll see if he jumps out again. So Charlie seems to be embracing this. Savage, not so much. Don't even think about it. No, that didn't help. Steph, come here. Steph, come here. We're back from kayaking and from our little test run. What is your feedback?
Well, for me personally, I had a bad day because I wasn't feeling very good.
I didn't know if you wanted to go here or not. This is all you. Go.
No, I'm just saying I had a banana and a large coffee. And after that, I had the poops the entire time. No one wants to go out into the water when you got a poo. And it's not even like that. It was horrendous. So that was my issue. So next time it's just water. That's it.
It is a little difficult to take in the scenery and the ducks and the birds and the scenery, and all I hear is, I gotta poop. Oh.
Savage was a little out of control.
Yep, so you saw in the footage, Savage jumped out of the kayak, but I don't know what was going on with him, but he either wanted to be with Charlie or he wanted to be with Karin, or he felt like he was missing out on something, but he wanted to be in their kayak the entire time, to the point where he jumped out of my kayak. And he has never swam before. Welcome to swimming. A couple little stresses, we're gonna iron them out for next time, but now we're gonna be able to do a real some kayaking adventure. Thank you for coming along with us today, and if you're curious,
I like my galoshes.
catch you guys next time. Subscribe, like our channel. If you have any crazy adventures or anything you want us to try, don't hesitate to tell us. You know, we'll do our best to facilitate it. Till next time, peace out. Oh,
dang it!
That's
I gotta poo and you're going the wrong way.
That was my turn right there.
Ah, turn there.
Okay, bye.